Hi, Julian from Bull Grills and Spas here. For over 25 years, Bull Grills and Spas has offered many water care solutions, but none have compared to the performance and support we have received from the O-Care team. I'm happy to say that we finally found a product that not only performs as advertised, safe, soft, and simple, but also allows us to make a profit while selling it. We currently have over 500 customers using O-Care, and we have only received positive feedback from them regarding how simple it is to maintain their hot tub and how soft their water feels. We use O-Care in our spa at home, and I can personally tell you that I have never had better water quality. O-Care is the first product I've found in a long time that will not be found cheaper online. With O-Care, we're able to offer a superior mineral salt water maintenance program while retaining customer satisfaction and loyalty. O-Care's auto-ship program streamlines the purchasing process and makes it simple for customers to receive the product at their doorstep. As a company, the free water maintenance app with video tutorials offered by O-Care has allowed us to properly inform and help our customers. Offering a high-quality mineral salt solution has also helped our hot tub sales, giving us a competitive edge. If you're looking for a water care solution that your customers will love, I encourage you to try O-Care.